Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform, Pump Bundled to achieve selling. First we enter the page for Pump Bundled Sold, then connect to the mainnet. Next connect the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. After a successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. First enter the address of the token you want to sell, then we click Import Wallet. Enter the private key and click Confirm. Now we can see the wallet balance, as well as the balance of the target token. Below you can see the total balance. After that, it's time to select the RPC and the GTO bundle tips. It should be noted that all service fees are paid by the first wallet, and all GTO tips are paid by the last wallet. Finally, we click Pump Bundled Buy. A prompt will pop up once the selling is successful. You can also refresh the wallet to check. Well, that's the whole process. If you have any questions, you can check our documentation tutorial or come to our community to ask questions. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.